Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up in React. First of all, we need to create a React project using npx create react app command. I have already done that. And let's take a look at our app directories. Let's go to source and take a look at our app.js. As you can see, there's a very simple layout here. Let's just run our app using npm start command. Okay, great. So we can actually get started. First of all, we need a separate component so we can actually put our pop-up over there and then use it in our app.js. So let's create a directory called components in our source directory. And then inside components, we need the file directory itself. So right click, new file, and popup.js would be the component. Okay, as you can see, the path, it's right inside components and source respectively. Okay, import React. From React, export default function, the name of it, which is popup. Okay, and inside of it, we're going to return our HTML. Let's just have a very simple thing, something like pop-up component, to make sure it actually works when I add it to my app.js. Okay, let's go to app.js and import this component. Import popup from components popup. All right, and we actually need the component tag inside the return popup. All right, Control S and well, let's take a look. Okay, function name should be capitalized, so let me change this to a big P, and here import the new modified function. Import popup, which is capitalized, and also the tag will be updated. Okay, let's take a look. Perfect. We are ready to get started. Now we need to add our pop-up structure. I'm going to use Bootstrap, so let's open a new tab and search for React Bootstrap. First of all, we need to connect our app to Bootstrap. Okay, get started. And as you can see, there's a quick tutorial in order that shows you how to connect your React app to Bootstrap. First of all is to run this command in your terminal. Let's copy this and open a new terminal window and paste it. Hit enter. All right. Okay, Bootstrap is installed. Now we have to take the next step, which is adding the CSS link. Scroll down to, yes, get to this. As you can see, there's an import that we have to add to our index.js file, which is located in the source directory. After copying the link, go to index.js and add it right on the top. Okay, I don't need this. Perfect. Now that our app recognizes Bootstrap, we have to create our modal. Let me close this. Okay. Open a new tab and search for React Bootstrap modal. Modal is actually that pop-up thing. Okay. Click on the first link. Great. As you can see, there are lots of modal styles using Bootstrap right here. You can actually use each of them. For example, this one, as you can see, the backdrop is static, and And this one is located in the center. Great. Doesn't really matter. Let's just copy one of these guys. And first, we need to copy the return body and paste it in our app. And then copy these const variables inside our function right on top of the return and paste this as well. Okay. And finally, we need to add the imports as well in our components. Let me just paste this. Great. So it has to work right now. It has to create me a modal while clicking on a button. Control S. Click on the button, and yeah, as you can see, the modal is created perfectly. Let's just customize it a little bit. For example, the button, I want it to be blue, I want it to be green, so I'm going to give it a class of sexes, and the text would be something like pop-up. And I don't want my modal to have any header or footer, I want it to be the mere body. Let me just remove this. And let's change the text as well. For example, I just popped up. Great. Control S. And as you can see, the style has changed. And if I just click on it, the model's header and footer is gone. So this is how you can actually customize it. And that would be all. There's no need to install any dependencies, libraries, or anything, only Bootstrap. And I hope you learn how to create a pop-up in your React app. And let me know if you had any questions in the comment section. And thanks for watching.